got a killer deal on this Impact Wrench, guys. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook for more tool deals, price glitches. All right, let's go ahead and start. So we got this Flex Impact Wrench. This is the new Impact Wrench kit. It does come with the lithium stack battery. So it is the newer battery. It does come with the fast charger. These chargers are really fast. I personally do have these. They're just really fast. And then these are the brand new Impact Wrenches. They just barely came out, I believe, a month ago, or 2 months ago. It came out around there. At least that's when I saw them at the stores. They do come with a nice case. So yeah. So this is the Flex Stack Lithium 6 amp hour 24 volt variable speed brushless half an inch drive cordless impact wrench, battery included. All right, so $419. Yes, it's not the best deal, but right, check out this. You're getting $190 off if you add it, if you're a member, and add it to the cart. So it doesn't take a lot to get a membership here. All you have to do is just sign up for like their little rewards section. So let's add it up to the cart, see what's up. Yep, it automatically brings it down to $229, guys. This is a killer deal, guys. This is a solid brand to get into. Their impact wrenches, their impact drivers, all the tools are excellent. The reciprocating saw is like zero vibration. They're really high quality tools. Sometimes you can get some crazy killer deals. All right, so I'll leave you guys the link. It might be an affiliate link from the Lowe's website. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.